everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're going to do the best stuffed chicken breast you can in your own backyard. Before we get into this, if you guys are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe. Here we have our chicken breast. Out of the package, ready to butterfly. Take your knife and just give it a nice butterfly score. Right across it. Just like this. There you are. Open that right up. Very nicely. Fresh basil. Just picked it, chopped it up. It's good stuff. And we got some sun-dried tomato. It's good stuff as well. Nice and fresh, just chopped it up. We got some marbled cheddar in there. Some fresh basil, just chopped up. Nothing too fancy there, just chop it up however you want to chop it up. If you want to use it, you don't have to use it if you don't want to. And then some sun-dried tomatoes. Once again, just chopped up. Now we're going to throw a little shredded Havarti in it, just because I like cheese. Now, it's kind of complicated with one hand. Oh well, I gotta get the other one dirty now. I only have one glove on, but whatever. Not the end of the world. I can go wash my hand. Just like that. Get that chicken breast stuffed nicely. Now, make sure everything's stuffed in nice. You know, we're probably gonna get some leakage later. That's okay. Take your bacon. And wrap it around, just like we did the last time. Start wherever you want, however you want, and just wrap it around, just like so. When you get there, just peel it back a touch, so you can get your next slice. Put your next slice, overlap with the other piece, continue wrapping. Just like this. Now take yourself a toothpick, or a pin, or whatever you have that you want to use. Put one there, put one there on the ends of the bacon, just to hold the bacon. There we go, done. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of the chicken breasts I have, get them all stuffed up and everything else, and we'll pick back up when I'm gonna put them on the grill. Our grill is running at 350 degrees. I have some potatoes on that are baking. That's besides the point. This is what we're cooking. Let's get our chicken on. There, that's sizzle already. Move you guys over, have a look. These are running at 350 degrees. Let's cook. That should get that chicken cooked nicely. Melt that cheese. Cook that nice basil and sun-dried tomato combination in there. And the bacon should be crispy. Somewhat. Let's close her down and let her go. Well, after 20 minutes, see what we got. Out of this one right here. See, not a big issue. Still got it at 350 degrees. Close it down, let it keep rolling. Another half an hour has passed, bringing us to a total of 50 minutes cooked time. These guys should be done, I believe. Look like they are. Just leave it cook the top on. guys then. There we are. We've been resting for 5 minutes, give or take. First thing you want to do, get rid of that toothpick. Nobody wants to eat it. Give this thing a slice open. Right there. Move it over. Pick it up. Look at that. Beautiful. Get us a nice close-up of that. Very nice. Now give me a piece. There we go, look at that. Just coming right out of it again. Beautiful. Chicken's cooked nicely. That bacon's nice and cooked as well, nice and crisp. Get down here. So you guys in here to see this. Chicken's still nice and moist. Everything else. Nailed it. This is delicious. You guys need to give this a shot. Get yourself some nice chicken breasts. Wrap them up with bacon. Stuff them with whatever you want. Use the same stuffing that I used. Use your own. Make up your own. Do it however you want to do it. It's your barbecue. You're going to eat it. If you guys like this one, give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe. See you guys all on the next one. Bye.